With me today, I have Jade Owens and Will Cheney with Baird Foundation Repair. Thank you both for joining me today.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Well, before we get started, I want to hear a little bit about the history of Baird Foundation.
So we're actually a family-owned and operated business. We've been in business for over 50 years. Our grandfather actually started the company 50 years ago in San Antonio. We've been doing business in Corpus and surrounding areas for many years, actually. But we recently, in the past year, have opened up a branch down in Corpus, kind of to set our roots down in the community and become more a part of the community.
I love it. Well, currently there's a ton of construction in Corpus, lots of people buying homes. The market is great, so I'm sure you all are very busy. But tell me, why is concrete repair so relevant to this particular area?
Yeah, definitely. So Corpus is a coastal city, which means that the soil in this area is much different than areas in Texas. So here, a lot of sandy soils, they tend to degrade much faster. They're not quite as stable as what you might see with a rock or limestone soil or foundation. And so there's definitely a need just based on the soil. And we also have members of our Baird team that live local in Corpus, and they've seen it for themselves. There's uneven sidewalks, there's driveways that have cracks in them. So that's all stuff that we can do and help with. And what homeowners might not know is that you don't have to just rip and replace that. We offer solutions that allow you to just use our solutions to actually level it and things like that, so that you don't have to do as much cost or invasiveness to your home in order to fix. And what's great news is, despite everything going on with COVID and people wanting to social distance and stay at home, we're still in business, we're still operating. Our inspections and the process that we take to repair concrete require no contact with homeowners, and so we can do our work without putting you or ourselves at risk. So it's really great.
Perfect. And great to know that you all have so much history. I love a good old family business, because you know that all of that information that's so valuable is passed down through generations, which means you're going to get quality work. And you value the customer because you're from the area. So we all love a good old South Texas company. Now tell me, you mentioned it doesn't have to be so invasive. We're not completely tearing down the foundation and redoing it. What unique services does Baird offer?
So we actually offer foundation repair for residential homes and commercial buildings, along with Jada just mentioned, concrete repair. And that can be done on patios, driveways, sidewalks, pool decks. And just last week, we did a job on a chimney, actually.
Okay. Chimney is like concrete too, right? And what sets you apart from other companies? Why should anyone who's looking for foundation repair choose Baird over anyone else?
Yeah, so as we discussed, we've been in business for 50 years, we're family owned and operated, so we are sticking around and we know what we're doing. We really strive to deliver quality products and excellent service from the moment you give us a call to when you interact with our production or sales teams. We're going to deliver that excellence that you expect. Too often we've talked to homeowners who have said that they've had terrible experiences with contractors, and we never want that to be the case when you're interacting with Baird. And so our goal is actually to redefine the industry, which means that we're looking at ways to always wow our customer and deliver that experience that they expect, just like with any other industry or service that you might have on your home. And unfortunately, we know that foundation repair might not be the most exciting investment that you make on your home, but we also understand the importance of it. It's an essential thing that has to be done to ensure safety for you and those around you. And so we're going to restore that value to your home. We're going to deliver the safety and give you peace of mind, knowing that the product that you got is something that's going to be lasting. So we're really excited to serve this community.
I love it. Well, something that's very evident with both of you is just your passion for the company, for the roots and where you come from, and that relationship with the customer, which I think many companies come off that way in the beginning. And once they get the job and once it's over, you kind of wash your hands of it. And I can see with you all that it's something where you follow through. You're concerned with that. What are they going to say afterwards, and how do they feel when we finish the job? So that's great. And you say it's not exciting, but it is exciting when you don't stub your toe anymore on that uneven concrete. So there are perks to foundation repair.
A lot of
For sure.
So tell me, we love a good old deal. I know our viewers do too. What sort of incentives or even financing options do you offer?
So we offer many financing options for our customers. We offer also a really popular incentive program called our same-day savings program.
Mm-hmm.
And for our viewers here today on Coastal Living, if you call in today and you say that you show, we'll actually offer $50 off the final price if you sign a contract.
Okay, well, that's a good enough incentive for me. I know I love a good deal, and so do our viewers. And the fact that you offer financing options is great as well, because it is an investment depending on the amount of work that needs to be done. So I know we have a bunch of viewers who are excited to give you guys a call. How can we get in touch with Baird Foundation Repair?
Yeah, so give us a call, or a really easy way is to visit our website, bairdfoundationrepair.com. There's options to call, text, email us. So we have a lot of ways. Definitely connect with us and we'll get out there and give you a free estimate.
So for anyone watching, if you haven't figured it out yet, clearly Baird Foundation Repair is a company you can rely on. They have history and they're offering you an incentive. Mention Coastal Living and you'll get $50 off your total cost of repairs. Plus you've got those financing options. Jade, Will, it was a pleasure speaking with you all, and we look forward to hearing from you again. Thank you so much.